Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, there are 5 vowel sounds. Let's repeat with me. These are A, E, I, O, U. Today we will learn the words that have the vowel sound A. So let's see in the picture. The first picture is of a hat. This is a hat. Hat. Repeat with me. Hat. This is the fan. 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 This is a bag. 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 This is a cat. 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 Now look, this is an apple. 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 Repeat with me. It's an apple. Look, these are mask. 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 This is back of a child. Spell with me. Back. Again. Back. Now look, this is a bat. Spell with me. Bat. Bat. It's a bat. Now look at there. It's a ladder. Ladder. It's a ladder. Ladder. Now this is a camel. Spell with me. Camel. Again. Camel. It's a camel. Now it's the end. And hopefully you have learned about the vowel sound A in different words. Allah Hafiz, students.